Hello guys, today I would like to show you what to do in case you cannot charge your phone. You know for sure that charger is working fine. In my case I have USB-C charger and also this USB-C ending on my phone. Yesterday it was working and today not. If I connect it, it's not charging, and if I wobble this connector a bit, then I see that it starts to charge. Let me check from another side. Not even this. Yeah, so it's completely problematic. So what you can do is to take toothpick, wooden toothpick, and clean this connector. Sometimes the dust is going inside and it breaks the connection. It breaks the connection between the charger. You see this this is piece of dust from my pocket. So it can happen to everybody. It's simply you put your cell phone to the pocket. You are cutting the grass. The fragments of the grass will go jump into your pocket, and then they will stick into this connector. So just with this wooden toothpick you can clean this connector. I mean, why wooden? Because if you put metal, you can scratch this, you can even damage it. So this wood, I mean, it's much softer than some a paper clip or something like that. I don't recommend paper clip, but if you find at home this wooden toothpick, you can clean it. Especially, you know what is the problem? The problem is that some dust or some dirt goes um, to the end of this channel, of this charging channel, of this charging port, and then it's preventing to fully this charging connector to fully click onto this into this charging port. So, and if it is not clicked in the end, then the charging will not start properly. So you can also take a vacuum cleaner and clean it. So I took also vacuum cleaner and I will try to clean it. Oh, if the vacuum cleaner was not enough, then you can use again the toothpick. Let me repeat this operation once again. Okay, and now let's give it a try. And you see now it is charging properly. So if you like the video, please don't forget to press the like. If you like my channel, Perfect Man channel. Also, please press subscribe button, and we will see each other with another video, and have a nice day.